insane day that I had with Grey 1K, and as you can see, he's flying in the air. Well, we obviously met at a local garage, and then from there I want to show you the fastest Hondas that I've seen in South Africa. And then over here I'm going to show you some mates with some funny reactions that I had, and we also had a beer or two with a few friends of mine. And then from there, it's crazy how I ended up meeting what's up with AR1 during this day. So this is a full packed video, so let's get into this video, even though I ended up losing one of my dear friends.
So we're gonna come make some content with my G over here. Finally I got here. It's been some time I haven't seen this dude. And you know what? It's gonna be a sick day. What's happening?
And then over here, I challenged him to a drag race. And you know what? You'll be very surprised of this drag race outcome. Check it out. You know, when you're riding on the road, you end up seeing some amazing things. And I ended up seeing this car, even though I don't know which kind of car this is or what type of car, but it looked really fancy. If you guys know what car it is, let me know in the comments. After that, we ended up hitting some traffic, which was kind of unexplainable, even though we ended up passing some very nice cars. But why is there so much traffic on this road? It doesn't make sense.
Thanks, man. Shove. Oh, that's a dude that's following me on TikTok. Now he sees me. That was cool. Let me try get a nice thumbnail. Oh wow, there's a stone chip on my room. How fabulous.
Yeah, so insane ride as you guys saw, and look out for more, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. But not telling a fucking cooker.
En het wel ik caro, something like caro.
Yeah.
Day 2 of an insane ride out. So this is Saturday, and I got sugar lips here, baby, and I'm riding out to, I think, Tiger's Milk or something like that. But yeah, oh, my face is shiny. Go on with me and experience the crazy rides and cool excitement. I was supposed to be at a funeral today, but I wasn't able to make it because of some financial situations. But I'm gonna make the best of this day. There you go. It's the life, baby. Oh yeah, and I'm also using an Insta360 Ace Pro, Insta360 X3 to record all my videos, and I also have a card on my helmet. There's a 360. So if you guys want any of these products or any products, let me know in the DMs. Then I'll drop you the link and get yourself one, because believe me, they help me a whole lot. Oh, hi, by the way.
As you guys saw, I said I'm on my way out, so I'm actually going to meet up with some dudes. The place I'm going to is about 20 minutes away. Sorry, boy, I don't have money for you. Okay, I'm going to show you a reason why I don't like GoPro. Look, I have to take out the battery, put it in again, just for it to work. The Insta360 Ace Pro doesn't have any of these issues. Let me check. Now it's working. You can't just stop on the side of the road just to reset the camera. Like, what the hell? That's why I don't like GoPros anymore. If you guys want a camera, get an Insta360 X3. Get an Insta360 X3 or the Insta360 Ace Pro. Let's go, baby. want to turn off here. Oh, snap. Luckily I stopped. Let me get off. I thought we were gonna go for longer. Sorry. As you can hear, I'm playing music through the car door. So that's the nice part about having a car door system on your helmet, is that you're able to make calls, listen to music, and play music. Listen to music and make any other requests that you might have. Let's say you want to go on speed dial and there's a specific person you want to call. You can tell the car door system to actually do that for you. Wow, robots are out. Hola. Next, my dog. Sure. Yeah, so that's a nice part about having a car door. And the speaker is actually quite loud. So it's got 40. This one's got 42 or 45mm JBL speakers. Let me turn the volume up so you can hear how loud it is. Oh wow, the GoPro's off. Look at. Turn off the lights in it. Turn off the lights. Hola. Can you hear that? So imagine you're riding, listening to some nice jams. Somebody calls you, able to answer your phone. So get yourself a car door intercom system. If you want one, let me know. I can get one for you easily, Sugar Lips. Oh, hi, by the way. And I think we just arrived to where we're going. Wait, he said I must go to the upper parking. Oh shit. Ooh, rolling on the pony and it's this hot. Yo, it's bad, huh? Get. So I usually just take this and chuck it in there. Usually it doesn't slide out. There we go. Hopefully these boys are here already. There they are. Lucky that I didn't get lost. What fucking tires does he have on now? Woo! Because I'm looking for pussyfish. Because I'm looking for catfish. What's happening? You good? No, I'm always good.
You want to see yourself in 20 years? There you go, boy.
It's Aprilia in 40 years.
Yeah. That's how you look when you ride an Aprilia. Hey, boy.
Why you looking so extra? You look extra. Oh, he's eating the same seat. He's kniping when he goes down corners.
Hey, nice helmet. Nice helmet. Matata mutu fella. Alright, I need to pour gas first, and then and then we're rolling out. And this is how you go out without a ticket. Didn't pay focal. Look at this guy. He went up there. I will get my tattoo. Boy. I need to pour petrol, Steven. Oh fuck. Look at it losing traction, bro. Yeah, 95. How's it? You good? You like bikes? You love them? You want to rev a bit? But don't redline. Is it okay? Okay. Do you know how to start?
Hold clutch, put on brake, and
Well, you don't, okay. On these ones you don't have to hold clutch, but that's the start button.
can I go?
Yeah. Hey, wacht man. Start. Yeah. You liked it. Oh wait, what's your name?
Well, you're on like Instagram and stuff. Do you post-
Yeah, I'll give you my handle just now. Oh fuck. Hey man, why are you so impatient? What the fuck? Oh, you like this guy?
Much of the rugby, baby, you know.
Is anybody as dumb as these guys? Riding with dog tinted visors at night. Can you imagine that shit? At dog tinted visor at night. Is anybody as dumb as these guys? But hey, oh hi by the way. Hey yo baby, don't stress about recording at night. Look what I do. So I took out the mic. Let me show what I do, baby. So Insta360 comes with a easy clip off. Comes with the instant clip off. So this is an ND filter. You just take off the ND filter and then you're gonna switch on the camera. So I'm gonna switch on the camera over here. Alright, cool. So what you are gonna do, you're gonna come to the settings, then you're gonna come to a place called Pure Video. Let me show you. Pure Video. Pure Video shows the best at night. You use this thing. Use the setting at night. Don't worry about everything else. Then you use the setting at night. Done, baby. No, it's a live, baby. Can I get a hoya?
I'm gonna buy S1000 2023 and then we're gonna swap, boy. Don't stress. But brother, you know, baby. Just don't chase, I'm buying. Fuck that shit. I'm not standing for shit.